guys, welcome back. Today we are making over my patio using everything from the dollar store. So excited. I have to get it done before the kids get off the bus, and it's like a barren wasteland out here. So it's also raining. I might be being a little optimistic, but I'm gonna show you what you can create just with one trip from the dollar store. I made a quick stop at the local hardware store to pick up some herbs for an herb pot and flowers for my pots. See? This is a nightmare! Look at me! I just shoved, and now I have to bring pool sleds and pool noodles, and this is my shameful secret. I'm a fraud. It's time to pull out all the patio furniture from this crazy messy shed. I'll organize it another day. Today, we are making the deck beautiful. First dollar store DIY is making a holder for our flip-flops. I'm spray painting this old sign that I had, it didn't work out obviously, red, and then I'm attaching these amazing dollar store hose baskets that are perfect for outdoor flip-flops. I made this sign, it says caution active landmines because we have dog poop in the backyard, and this way when we go out our back door we can slip on some dollar store flip-flops and not, step in the dog poop. So I'm just attaching these great baskets from Dollarama. They were so inexpensive and they're really sturdy and waterproof. Love this quick DIY. I decided to freshen up this old, nasty-looking tray with some spray paint, so it's the perfect spot for those adorable and whimsical gnomes from the dollar store. DIY I actually saw on Pinterest, and let me tell you, it was a little bit more hard than I thought it was going to be. I grabbed a dollar store watering can and fed through some solar-powered fairy lights. You want to pull the strand all the way through, and mine was a little tangly. That was sort of the issue. And then you want to feed it back up through the holes and back and down, so it looks like it's watering these lights. I mean, obviously at nighttime, this is where you get the real effect, but even during the day, it's super cute. Next, I grabbed 2 dollar store pots and flipped one upside down, added some crazy glue and some hot glue, attached the other one up top to make a raised urn. These raised urns are actually really expensive anywhere else, like $50 and up, but you can make it for just a few dollars. I love this one with the ferns. Using the exact same technique of stacking them and gluing them together, you can add a dollar store stepping stone to the very top to create a side table for just a few dollars. This is so fast, so easy, I didn't even have to glue the top on. It sort of clicks into place, and it's the perfect spot to enjoy a glass of wine and a great book. If you need more storage for sunscreen and bug spray, kids' toys, you can add some hooks to a fence post with some dollar store buckets, and you have instant storage. I kind of love these dollar store placemats. I use them every year, but they're bright, they're colorful, and they make my old table just look so much more inviting. If you want to add some more color and whimsy to your backyard, one trip to the dollar store is all you need. Colorful pots and lots of different outdoor decor can brighten your space for just a few dollars. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I shared a story about my hot tub before. My hot tub. Here's the thing as a big girl. Big girl bathing suits are like party tents, you know? They flow out, they have big skirts instead of usual bottoms. So I wear these big girl bathing suits, except in a hot tub with jets and air and bubbles, they fill up and then I'm pushing them down and they're in my face, and it's the most unenjoyable experience ever. So I've tried to find other bathing suits that are less billowy. But like, that's just how they come in my size. So I'm wearing this party tent in the hot tub. I'm sick of it. So I went in naked, but then I got caught by the neighbors who were up at 1 o'clock in the morning and they're in their 80s. So I wanted to show you the setup, show you the hot tub and where the neighbor's window is, and maybe you guys can give me some advice. Preferably budget-friendly advice, not like build a privacy fence. Something a little less super expensive because I'm not using it. Or maybe you know of bathing suits which are less. You should see me when I sit on there. It's billowing of fabric filled with air. It's not relaxing, and I want to be able to enjoy my backyard, and I welcome your advice. I'll see you guys next time.